How to unhide comments on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can hide or unhide comments on Instagram. For that, go ahead and launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, go ahead and select any post from here. Then tap on this comment icon. Now, if you want to hide a comment, all you want to do is tap on the hide option. Select that, then tap on the OK option. As you can see, the comment has been successfully hidden. If you want to unhide that comment, then you want to select See Hidden Comments option. You will see the hidden comment over here. Simply tap on Unhide, then tap on Unhide again. And in this way, you can easily hide or unhide comments on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.